Now God, why? Because they want to reduce poverty. Who give that person sense to make black eye? Now God, who give that person sense? Say you feel even time or to for that hate. Who give that person sense? Say even that head where you talk, say God talks to me, they don't attach fake hair. Who give that person sense? So you feel take fake thread, rubber for the head, you look good. Who give that person sense? Who give the person sense? Some of you know, so now start in a Christian, when I be so focused on you, on the physical, the real thing now inside you. That is why some of you come on Facebook, you preach. Somebody drop one comment, my woman of God in law says that coach the person. Please come and join me here. At times we preach, at times we coach. That for you to go on social media and you know you're a woman of God, no makeup, no hair, nothing. And you are preaching, and somebody drops a comment and you start insulting the person, daughter of Jezebel, don't want them. Satan in the incarnate. Now you create them for no say they be Jezebel. It's now very, very careful social media fine. It's now very, very in order. Very, very in order. Very. Immediately some of you start immediately some of you give your life to Christ fully. You stop makeup. You stop those things that used to make your husband juicy. Some people like their makeup. Some people don't like them. Some people like when you be sexy. Some people don't like them. What if you get married to that man who loves the makeup on you, and immediately you become a mommy pastor or a woman of God? You change your style. Thank God say the gospel this time will be the gospel of olden days. I spoke to one woman. I spoke to a lady. I don't know if she's watching me. She was going through a lot. She just separated with her husband and she was going through a lot. She was going to all these churches, all crusades. She's very beautiful. But because of the stress she was going through, a lady who has a good job, drives a very luxurious, cannot call it country. I was advising her. But each away his skin because we go through a lot. Now so ex-man writes every day, she say you don't see, I don't war. Now so forget your life for Christ day. See how you don't show your skin all. See how your lips crack. Imagine the essence of the cause you traumatize every day. You go crusade, they go snap a picture where you worship God. Now so you don't tie put on for here, for front here. Some person says snap I don't know snap put on for social media. Imagine to carry and put on social media. See look at how she's look old. And that's what she's fine. Hey! Tell me the woman send me all that in the ass and say, which did worry you? Which day they don't talk say Christianity means say you go throw away yourself. Go back for zero. You're driving a big car, you're living a good life, you have a good job. But you don't throw away yourself all because you go through some kind of pain. See, most people come over the topic some more. May they don't see a problem with your face. Some of when a person they just see you on a face, as person see you, your face side, the person knows you go through a lot of trauma. No show people your problem for your face. No show people your problem for your face. There are some of you immediately your friends sees you, they know you're going through stress. If I get problem, you don't ever know. You don't ever know. If I get problem here, you enter, you don't know. Is this a small emotional problem? Come here, I know me, I know for fake. Or come here, start preaching and start giving example. I already man picking and be very terrible. Thank God we don't pass that level. I'll start giving example. I said, the boy, what more do now how there? Because emotional stress is a kind of stress you know if you hide them. But me not make me they see for your face. At least inside your house, me they no say no. You feel get that kind of stress. Me they no see for your face. You feel only see and say me a talker. I feel be vocal. Say okay, now the problem is for my face. Say you see me so you just say, hey, man, I could go through a lot. Now lie. You know we ever see for my face. You know, I mean, now I drink juice. The only thing I say, people they gossip on it, they always get something for talk. Because now I drink juice because I want shrink some more. Immediately I shrink, they go talk say, hey, you know, say as matter I couldn't try. They show you. Now, if you want to do your thing, just do and you go. Don't listen to people. If you want to listen to people, you go die before your time, my sister, my brother. You fat or they go say you fat or you this or you this or immediately you dry, they go talk say you don't get sick. When I go take my matter like last year, how we be fat fresh. Immediately married that Epia don't show you, see as you don't dry up. But I mean, the drink juice plus on Facebook. Immediately I start small. That boy is showing you, hey, that boy. So person never say, as our faces are different, that's how our problems are different. As you see people with different face, now so their problem then be different. You know if you look person in the face, put it inside your shoes. Now whether this thing whatever is, I say I understand what you're going through. Me, I can understand. If your person talk about domestic violence life, talk about how a boy, how a gigolo, I don't pass through that experience before. I think tell the person say I understand what you're talking about because I don't go through. But person if he lost his husband, then I want console the person. I say I understand what you're going through. I never lost husband before. I never really lost a loved one before when I really feel that. I never tell you, say, I understand what you're going through. I will tell you it is well. You overcome it. But I never tell you, say, I understand because I don't understand. And I sustain me, that would use and would life back the statement very badly. No, mommy, I understand what you're going through. Some of them don't I never see poverty in our life. But some of them friend will call when they cry poor. For you to just tell you, say, oh, help. Or say, boy, no one is say, boy, I understand what you go through. You don't understand it because I tell you, you never ever point, you never reach that level. You never ever do for a situation where landlord throw you out of house. So you know if you talk say I understand what you're going through because you know for that, you never face them. Now when I tell when I say person and an honest divorcee advise you on marriage, listen. Because so the man picking a new woman, they don't divorce. I get the man, I watch some man for social media. When he divorce his wife, that man he go through depression now. I don't want to call me the man name because I don't know if he be allowed. That man he go through depression very badly. He go for Instagram, go write them. Say, yeah, a woman don't divorce. And I fault. Because he talk a lot of things the way he do for the woman. But he talk say it be too late. And it is slowly die of depression. You know the next thing we will hear about that celebrity? Now say don't kill yourself. Now say don't kill yourself. As our faces are different, you're going to heal them. Oh, na celebrity. When I see Tonto DK, now so all we be for married, the wedding, they all we be glad. Yeah, celebrity wedding, yeah. Now after we all man unveil them. Now when they talk on time and they way, you see some people they wait, kind of caution say, your marriage is not going through. See the boy, oh, now you beg the boy, oh, now you don't marry the boy, oh, now you do this. That is what they are going through. That is what they are going through. And then they talk for back. One of these very negative bloggers, like that is what she's going through. Like I have people who live under the same flat with this girl. I even have a room number under the same flat. She's the one that is doing virtually everything for that boy. I mean almost everything for the boy. So they even go reach your level for play the plan for go marry. Now they do everything, but I cannot. Well, who be me for go to judge am? Now happiness. If I do everything for the boy, go make you happy. And so what? I follow Kobo in live video yesterday where they ask Kobo say he support Imasa for. Let me see. They ask him some questions. Say he support Imasa for their marriage. He say yes, no, he support Imasa. Would they for what? For support? You know, support your mother. So my master, me and master go. One married today, I no support my master because at the fiercest of vagabond, who can't talk say, mama Dalako, you do no. I'm supporting my husband. The only thing way and way my 1 franc, nothing come out touch him. He bride price, traditional right, all that thing they will give for lease. My 1 pen nothing touch him. But you see when it comes to mimbo, drinking mimbo, or for so some kind of clothes or do some kind of thing, have you always spent for that one? But when it comes to lease, when my father right and give, if he didn't say me say property. Go pay that one. He go sell and go pay that one. I need to get involved for that one. That one I call as in a personal life. But when it comes to other things, they're like chopping, doing this, doing that. So when you see most of this, and when you see these people who are very quick to come and say, I'm living a very comfortable life. I'm very, ask about me. I'm one of the richest in my community. Check well. Those who live comfortable life, they don't say it. You see it in them. Those who live comfortable lives, they don't come to say it. They don't blab. They don't come to announce how comfortable they are. You see it. You see how peaceful they are. You see the laughter and the happiness that comes out of them. You see it in them. They don't need to announce it. So this person in question is always negative. And I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to do this to a master. I didn't want to do this. And when somebody very close to this person sends me videos and a lot about the person, and the person laughed, I said, Mama Talako, social media has the way of things. They have social media has the way they do things. And like, you know, when some people come on social media and say some things, we just laugh. We, you know, they like say they talk about the stranger the way they know them. Yes, they talk for people they know them. If you want to do anything, as far as it makes you comfortable, just go and do it. Just go and do it. You don't need to come on social media and start saying, hey, I'm living this, I'm driving a big car, I'm one of the most comfortable, you know, if they want to talk all the people of this caliber, I should be coming first. No, they should be calling them when you become first, they will see you. Now when I talk, even me, sometimes they can't talk for you, say give away, give away. The real people, when they give me that money, say, my Mama Talako do give away, you don't feel ever see them here. They always want to be anonymous. The real people who come to me and say, Talako, take this money and do give away your page. They are always anonymous. Now me way, I don't wait that again, make noise pass all man. People should come here for give away. But the real people for back, they give away. They know they make noise. They know they make noise. Most of them, they'll say, Talako, you entertain us. What you do is so much. And the only way I can promote your platform is for giveaway. So don't give away. Help people. So sometimes they even go cost me say for money when not be my own. Is that 100% giveaway why I do on social media? Now 40% it come on my pocket. 40%. Now when I never to say drop, when I say drop your problem, drop it. Because the people who said, Mama Talako, make that post, they are reading. They are reading. When I say drop your problem, you drop it. People are reading and they are helping people. Some of you are, one of you came to my inbox yesterday, they sent you 75,000 francs to start a business. You drop your problem. And you were sent 75,000 francs from America, from US. You came to my inbox and you showed me, Mama Talako, thank you, you have got sent. This is so many of you, you bring them testimony. Mama Talako, I dropped, you remember 2 weeks ago, the lady said I should wait at the end of the month. The person, she has just given me capital. And those people who go around say, you come and beg, they really want to drop their problems. But because they insulted the platform before, they cannot drop it. Or they go for fake profile. And we don't help people with fake profile. That is the worst. If you drop, and most of them now, before, I used to just give to everybody. Whether you share my video or not, I used to give. Now, only them. Come for social media, you need to give to people who share your videos. Yes, you need to give people, we need the audience. We need things, we need the place to get bigger. So if you want to give, choose those who share your videos. Not those who come to my inbox to show me love. Because some of you people, what I talk about, I might tell you something. There are categories of people on social media that they want me to notice them by fire, by force. They come to my page, they will share, post this screenshot, send to me. Mama Talako, I posted you yesterday. For the good things you do, I just wanted to appreciate you. I post. They will create some their small blogs, their pages, them. Post, share. And those people, I know now a book. I never tell you, forget those one. True color will come out. When they don't make 1 month, when they don't make 1 week, 2 weeks, the 3rd week they come my inbox. Mama Talako, please, I'm very, very hungry. Sure? Is that the reason for the sharing and screenshotting and sending to me? No. If you are supporting me, whether it's for the giveaway or not, may I put my foot before I talk the one. Nicole Ojong. Is it you? I've seen the comment. Is that you, Nicole Ojong? Is that you? Because I think you've changed your name. Nicole Ojong. You do YouTube as well. Is that you, Nicole? Is that the person behind Nicole Ojong Nick? Please reply me. Let me see if I'm talking to the right person. Nicole or Jung Ning Nick. Is it you behind that profile? This one that just dropped a comment. Is it you? Please let me know. So I'm giving the information to the right person. You're one person on social media. When you started, I used to admire you. I think Kobos and myself, we used to share your live video. We used to admire you so much, but I don't know if I should use the name hypocrites. I don't know if I should use the name. I want to say it to you. I don't want to go to the back. I don't want to go. I need to throw shits. You know, I'm calling you because people can go and follow your page. Listen, I know you've made a lot of positive videos about me. I know, but that's not it. Because on social media, I don't even know where you've been. I don't even know where. You cannot be everywhere. It's a lie. You cannot be everywhere. You cannot be everywhere, my sister. When you started, I used to promote you so much. I used to look at you like somebody who was fighting to come up. But I recently noticed that you're everywhere. And I was like, what are you looking for? Because yesterday, even when Kobos was doing a live video, you were the first to share Kobos' live picture to which her a happy marriage life. You were and yesterday when Kobos was doing a live video, you were the first to ask Kobos, but why you not be sending invitation? As what? As who? When you know well what is going on social media. That's a hypocrite. It's big hypocrisy. Yeah. So I know, of course, after this you're gonna take this my live video, cut it and play it on your page. But that's all. You're everywhere. You can be. Let me tell you something. What you're doing is not bad, but dropping comments everywhere under every page, it's not the way to go. I don't talk for you inbox before more than 5 times. So if you want to go and do your video, make sure you screenshots all telling me and you don't talk. Even when Mommy Harriet died, when there was a controversy, people were saying that I advertised it earlier. You came to my inbox and you said, Mama Talaku, can you tell me when Mommy Harriet died and the exact time? Because you wanted to go and make a video and talk and spoke about. What did I tell you? Call Harriet's family and find out from them. Why are you asking me? Because you are a hypocrite. This is social media. People are allowed to go everywhere. But if you've made yourself a blogger or a public figure, be very smart the way you do it. You cannot come here and drop comments. You go to Kobos, you drop comments. You go to the other place to drop comments. And you are a blogger. Take it from me. I don't talk for you privately. Plenty times. The idea of going, you can be everywhere. Me, I'm usually everywhere when I'm free. The only place I don't go is YouTube. I swear to God. I don't go to, let me not say YouTube as a whole. I don't go to some pages on YouTube because I don't want to see things that will make me angry and I start making comments. Not that I don't go to YouTube. I go to YouTube. But I don't go to some pages. Because most of the information, people come and they inbox me. They say it, Matalaku. And this person was saying that they just aim one for me. Mommy Bujabenjama one make post. Then I will hear some person be talk say like something happened to somebody close to me that stole or what happened. I heard it like after 2 weeks when they don't already put them for social media. I don't even know say nothing that will happen with the boy. Now like after 2 weeks, why the year all me and my master for go. I asked my mother, say, you be hearing news. He say, no, yeah. I start put it around, say, so the thing happened 2 weeks ago, now today we're the year. For tell her how shallow I even be for the social media. Because I get a lot to do on my page. You know, go see me, I go for this place, I drop. Go for this, I drop. Do my one talk, I drop. Do my one talk, I drop. When you do that, so person say, Lillian, say, I tried to talk for you. I had to unfriend you because you were sharing a lot of bullshit that I didn't like. Lillian, real you. I unfriended you. I love you. Don't get it twisted. I love you as a person. I like you. But I unfriended you because you were sharing some things about some people. Whether it is positive or negative, I don't want to hear. I'm so sorry. That is me on social media. Now when I want to say, I mind my business. And if person I'm a friend for social media, where they do anything, where you know they make me happy, now the person in page, the only way where I don't like, I don't go and see, I'm not saying I unfriend the person. It don't mean I say I don't like you. I go just unfriend you Because I don't want to see me those things. I know the boss. Me say I get my own mistake. I get people that mentor they call me the same time. I could do one way, don't do and so. Do one way talk and so. The next time not talk and turn and so. You know if you been a blogger. Blogger they for you they outside, but they need to see the presence. You feel there for open, remove your information, but stop dropping. No, you want to go for couple, someone talk, you drop, come and ask question. Mama tell like talk, you drop, come and ask question. Do you want talk, you drop, come and ask question. Do you want talk, you drop, come and ask. Nah.